What?
Off your phone, mate. You good do, eh?
Hey, shall I tell you something, mate? I was sat at the lights. I don't live with my daughter, and she rings me for a couple of minutes each morning. Lazy bastard.
Oh, it's enough to make you groan. John, you've got to start it. Thank you. Have yourself a good day. Couple of emails and then get back into
That's not a junction.
What
are you doing?
Oh, for God's sake, you can't park there because I can't get through. You fucking park in there.
Do you think he goes?
Come on, go. Why is he parked in the road though? Just why?
Take the second exit. Favourite. What about the silver one? You like that one?
Yeah, but that blue one's a tasty little number.
Great, let's grab it before somebody else does. The Volkswagen used car event from 11th to 30th of April. For limited
to look after you, the owner. At Barnes Road,
will you stop for this red light?
Is it no. Arrange your free consultation at
Flick your fag out, mate.
But in a kind of cool way. Right, on the way we have new music to play you from Mystery Jets. We have 5 stars.
Where are you on the wrong side of the road, mate? What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, imagine it would. Ooh. You are still officially a big doing now.
I know.
Come on.
Whoa.
Are we in the wrong gear? Faulty indicators as well. What a bell. Use your mirrors. Will you stop for that bit? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Magazine recently named Plus Manufacturer of the Year. Our work also helped us build a range of quality SUVs, including the city-loving Kona and the refined new Tucson. Both now come with 0% APR finance and low monthly payments. Find out more at
Well, they basically said they'd go along with their party manifesto, didn't they? Well, they were trying.
Do you know what? It says on the road, right, keep clear. Why are you parking in that section when I'm just sat here, held back?
I remember getting my ass kicked when I was a kid. I was just like, oh, this was interesting. Weird to have a puzzle game like that in the arcade. I was thinking about it. Yeah, it was an arcade. Yeah, all those great cars.
What's an absolute idiot doing?
If I could have an arcade,
What are you doing, mate?
Games like a Rampart, next to a Paperboy, next to a
Not too late.
next to a Gold Blasters, next to an ATV, next to a Model Madness. And get the picture. These are all distinct games that are entirely different.
Yeah, it's my go.
You're gonna have to let that one go. And that one.
The hell's that? See his face?
He's got the guy with his name. That's just like, what the hell?
Not late.
Debate about it, and it's so important to do. We're spending a year on mental health on Five Live, concentrating on those issues, coming back to them.
To remain and leave, both are failing dismally in that task, and it's very difficult to see what
Oh yeah,
can
walk
change
out
in
in
the
front of me,
short
you
term,
twat.
and what can bring
Really?
I don't think you do the count thing. I think you're there to listen in the right direction, aren't you?
I think you ran that red light.
Yeah.
You idiot.
What's this on the pavement?
Looks like a scooter, it's a hoverboard, like a electric.
Like an electric skateboard.
And it's got like a wobbly.
That's it, mate. In rush hour, you just
park on a key route out of the city centre and slap your hazards on. That's fine. Minicab, you can do what you want.
Transport at Unite, you'll hear more from that from the Labour Party as Jeremy Corbyn, the party leader, visits people in community leaders and residents who have concerns over their bus service in Ilkeston in Derbyshire later today. Let's come back to this initiative from the government. Pharmacists.
Well, aren't you in the wrong lane, mate?
Surgery Joe in Much Wenlock. Joe,
I saw you cutting from lane 1 to lane 2. Now you want to go and block me up and block this van up, yeah?
I'm really thrilled and very much welcome it.
What the hell?
I've known over 30 years.
Idiot. Hello. Ooh. Ooh. Pushing in, are we? What a prick. Well, you may as well go then. You may as well help yourself. What a prick in that Merc.